दाजु क्लचलाई धेरै माथि ल्याएर छोड्नु त I'm glad I didn't get my Scorpio.
Full of organics.
Today's vlog will be really different because we are taking a bike ride and a scooty ride to Mirik busty. We are somewhere closer to Siliguri. Here we go, people! That's the people. So now the road is gonna be very treacherous, people. You've got to be very careful. Kaku wanted me to check these roads. Guys, the weather has really changed, people. It is really cold out here compared to our place. This is where Scorpio would be in trouble, people. I'm glad I didn't get my Scorpio, people. Imagine the pain I had to take, people. Driving in the narrow road is a big challenge. Oh my god, people. के गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईं ब्याक गर्नुहुन्छ कि
खेल्दिए मैले कतै
ओइ ढुङ्गा हाल्नु पर्छ ल हुर्र बक्स सानो
सामान बेसी लोड छ अनि त कहिले जान्छ ब्याक मुस्किल छ नि है
बक्स नि के गर्ने
खेलौँ न है नयाँ छ बिचारा हैन बरु त्यो गाडी चाहिँ उता हालेको भए भइहाल्थ्यो नि हो ल तेलो जाउँ दोकानमा
I'm glad I didn't get my Scorpio. A wise decision, people. Oh, दरवाजा खुला है आप लोगों का. एक पत्थर लगा दो.
पत्थर लगाउनु पर्यो
ढुङ्गा लाउनु पर्छ पक्रिदिनुहुन्छ एकछिन
पत्थर लगाउनु पर्यो पत्थर सानो ढुङ्गा लगाएको त्यो दुईटा
ढुङ्गा लगाउनु पर्छ कि
मैले मेरो गाडी नलागेको राम्रो भन्छ
नयाँ ड्राइभर हो
हैन साह्रो पर्छ नि क्लचलाई धेरै माथिसम्म ल्याउनु न दाजु क्लचलाई धेरै माथि ल्याएर छोड्नु त अब people, things are getting really crazy, people. We just saw an XUV 700 getting stuck out here. I'm telling people, you got to be a pro, people, driving in these road conditions. It's drizzling and I want to make sure my audio is clear, so I'm getting wait for you all, people. Oh, this is the famous S gola, it seems. Kaku ke neutral ma tapai? Kaku is doing a mess thing, man, in its neutral. This is the famous S gola, people. Oh well, I'm not gonna show any movement. I'm gonna leave it up to Kaku. Yeah, and his driving skills and his riding skills, people, to be precise. Okay, this is the popular S golai. People, I think that's the worst decision Kaku took, driving it in neutral.
automatically
Okay. He says automatically the engine is getting locked. Okay, it's Kaku's call. Well, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna interfere in his riding skills. If you are not an expert, people, don't try these roads. Never, never. Especially the road is wet right now. I'm really scared, people. Finally, even Nawa is here. People, we've made it to the right place. We'll be filming some beautiful clips with the oranges, people, because that's the prize that we've earned after this hard journey. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you, God. So we've reached our kaku's grandma, and she's almost 98 years old. So guys, this is a perfect example of a orange garden in a village, people. Kaku is teasing his grandma. She's almost 98 years old, and Kaku finds a way to tease his grandma. Nawa and the three dogs. It's a great position. It seems Kaku used to jump a lot during his childhood days out here. This is Kaku's natty place, Kaku's dad's natty place.
यो त बी हैन बी हो
बस
ठुलो
So people, the Insta X battery is dead, and it's time to say goodbye with all the offerings from the busty. Nawa and Sanu takes the scooty. Kaku all set. Green leafy vegetables from busty. So stay in touch, people. We'll be uploading some more interesting videos this way only. So this is how we keep pumping, people.
And this is pure tree tomato,
full of organics.
full of organics.
Okay, so it's time to say goodbye, people. Kaku all set? Bye bye, everyone.